Meaning of guiltily.
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 Guiltily. Guiltily is an adverb that describes an action or behavior done with a feeling of guilt or remorse. When someone acts guiltily, it often means that they have done something wrong or are aware of doing something that they know they shouldn't have. This can manifest in behaviors such as avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, or a change in tone of voice. The person may feel ashamed or embarrassed, and their actions may reflect this. Overall, acting guiltily conveys a sense that the person knows they have done something that goes against their moral code or societal norms.